Alright, good morning everyone.
Good morning, teachers.
Okay, how are you feeling today?
Good.
Yeah, that's good to hear that you're doing well. So, to the continuation of our discussion last week, let's proceed to our application or our activity. So, station 1 from 1 to 5, are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay, without further ado, let's start with the presentation. From presentation, station 1. Okay, please be here in front. Where's the station? Here. Okay, let's let your ears and eyes to the presenter from station 1. Okay, presenter number 1, please start. Quiet guys, everyone, eyes here in front.
Good morning, everyone. So today we're debating fast art study. Fast, we have theme study, who's going to study, and theme fast. So first theme fast. Who's theme fast? Here. So theme fast, you have 30 seconds to tell us why being fast is good. So your timer starts now. Being fast is awesome. You can win races and be first. If you're fast, you can play more games and have more fun. Fast people can help others if you need it. Time. Time study. You have 30 seconds to tell us why being steady is good. So timer starts now. Being steady means you don't give up when it's hard. Steady people do things carefully, so they do a good job. If you're steady, people know they can count on you. So time. Now, closing statement. Team fast, you have 30 seconds to summarize all. So ready, set, go. Fast is the best. You can do so much in a short time. Being fast means you're always ready for anything. Remember, the air was fast. So next, that's usually good and good thing. Team study. Your closing statements, 30 seconds, ready, set, go. Steady means steady means the race, just like that. Being steady means you finish what you start every time. Steady people are strong and patient, and that's important. Time's up. That was so much fun. Make your goal. If you'll need a big talk.
Okay. Okay, let's give a round to station number 1. We will call on the station number 2 to be here in front. Station number 2. Okay, so today we will going to see a song review about the story of Hernán Cordoy and about the moral of the story.
The senior on?
Is it arrangement? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The hair was fast, the turtle was slow, a big restart, it ready to go. The hair ran quickly, full of pride, but stopped to rest and slept outside. Never give up, keep moving on, step by step, steady, strong and strong, slow and steady wins the race. Hard work always finds its place.
1, 2, 3.
The tortoise walks steady and true, didn't stop, he always knew that patience, effort, fingers audience. Cheer.
I am the hare.
I am the narrator. I am the tortoise. And we are the cheerers and the Lights, camera, action! Upon clearing, the race is just begun.
I am the fastest in the forest. You're not even going too slow.
Well, let's be slow. Let's see. Well, I may not be the fastest, but I will never give up.
Yeah.
The hare takes off in a burst of speed. We the tortoise are
I'm way ahead. I'll take a little break and stick with me.
Persistence wins the race. Okay, sentence number 1. Let's review presenter number 4. I can see here in front presenter
Quiet is our poster about the story of the tortoise and the hare. So this poster signifies the hard work, perseverance, and as well as the motivation of the turtle. So by the end of the long run, he was able to win. So this clock here, which is beside the finish line, indicates that each one of us, just like the turtle, each one of us have our own time. So we have different ways in our life. And we may not be able to be as fast like other. However, as long as we are steady, we are motivated, and we have hard work and perseverance, we are able to achieve the trophy, which means this is the success. So all of us are capable of achieving success as long as we are hardworking and motivated, and we have the passion. So overall, the moral of the story is that listen, slow and steady wins the race. So the overall, the moral of the story is slow and steady always wins the race. That's all.
Okay, good job, presenter number 4. The last but not the least, station number 5.
Hello everyone, we are the last station, the station 5. 1, 2, 3, go.
The hare was fast, the tortoise slow. But in the race, the hare did go. With boastful speed, he flew the lead. Then stopped to rest, to sure it did. The tortoise moved with a steady grace, and won the race at a slow pace. So now we know, and must agree, that slow and steady wins you see.
Okay, thank Right. So that is the examples of having differentiated learning in just one class. So thank you for listening to our discussion about differentiated learning and participating. Clap yourself.